This is crazy. Whoa. That is crazy. Look at the red over there. Boy, it's crazy. Open my tripod up.
What? Look at that. Look at that, Dad. Where's my camera? Dang it. Where's your phone? Dad, can I use your phone camera?
No.
Oh, my baby.
Holy
Okay, just do what you're
mackerel.
doing. Here's the tripod.
Okay.
Run.
It's coming this way. Calm down.
Holy crap, it's brown! Clouds are moving! It wipes out the Bank of America!
Get away from the edge or you guys are going down.
Come and get me! Oh my God! God, it looks like the
Wow.
Dad, the sky's all red. The sky's all red. It's coming towards us!
It's just engulfing everything.
Take cover! Look at
Put him to sleep. He's been crying for hours.
Oh no! It's the worst! Oh no! Oh no! Take cover! I have my take cover. People driving away because they don't want to be like. What? What?
That is like a crazy pitch black cloud.
You're gonna have a white
This is
shirt
like,
next. That's all.
look how dark it is right there.
No, I'm not. Bye-bye. Crazy maniac.
What in the
This is
fuck?
crazy, Dad. This is freaking crazy. Where's the Bank of America? It's holy crap. Dad, the sunset. The sunset.
No, calm down. You guys are getting annoying now. I know. I can't get nothing. Here it comes, it's blackening out. Oh, it's coming in. Big time. Yeah, stay in the middle of the book. And it's completely in the center. It's black now. We're fucking done. It engulfed us. God, it's pitch black and it's like 6 o'clock. It was just daylight. nuts.
Where's the dang sun? It's dead.
I got my ISO set at 15, at 5,000, shutter speed at 30, aperture at 3.5. Nothing. It's black cloud. Completely nighttime. That is crazy. Look at this car's lights.
Go like this, Mariah. So fun! Grandma, can you go give me the lights? I can see up here. I can see up here.
Get away from the edge, like I told you.
I'm taking them.
I could jack up the ISO a little bit, see what I can get.
Oh my God!
Shit, though.
It's clay everywhere! It's clay! I can't see anything! Happy boy driving! Happy boy passing wind! You better breathe from your nose. Oh. Just do this to breathe in that dirty